Trading and investing of any kind carries risk. Everything discussed here is for entertainment purposes only and not to be taken as financial advice because I don't give advice. All right, like and subscribe and click the notification bell if you want to get notified of things when I do things and be notified. And share it. Tell people and stuff. Yeah, so yeah, let's look at this market. Pretty fun, ugly trend lines, huh? So I was gone the last couple of days, went camping, and I come back. So on Thursday afternoon, we had into the close, we had a lot of accumulation into the close. So the selling that we had a lot of selling into the close, but it was being absorbed. Now, unfortunately, I wasn't here, and there's no historical rhythmic data for me to go back and actually look at, my tools to kind of give me an understanding as to how that continued or how it didn't. But the best I could tell is a lot of that push got sold into up here, which kind of started to bring us back down. So if we were to look at this, let's see, I'm sure we could zoom in and find some interesting patterns here, but this definitely looks pretty choppy. But I wasn't here, so can't really speak that much to it. My Starlink was having some issues, and hopefully it's resolved now. So the next time I travel, I will not have any problems. So let's look at today and, kind of last night. So what we were looking for today, or what I was looking for today, was this move here. And this one right here. So this was a move that I was looking for. So as soon as we started to break this, for me, that was the entry. That was last night, right? So been kind of paying attention to this, couldn't sleep, so here was the entry. And why? Well, there were a couple of patterns that set up. The one that played out so far today was this butterfly. What do we get to? And we'll just call it down here because it really, this is another thing about trend lines. That's why I love them so much. So that's roughly our butterfly that's played out. And if you look back at these trend lines, I just draw these kind of, usually I'll go in and then I'll turn them off and then just turn them on as I need them. But this is a bit of a mess. So it's just what it is for now. But yeah, so we've got this butterfly that's kind of worked itself out. Now we're trying to figure out what to do next. So what I would like to see happen, in the room this morning, we had some of our market profile and volume profile folks that called out these singles down here to the 41... 49-ish area. Yeah, on the ES, of course. So around the 41, 49 area. So that was discussed this morning. This already looked like a short, so, this is at least, this was kind of setting up to be a short. Couldn't really push, pull back, couldn't really hold the momentum upward. Started to lose it, started to get this trickle down. And we're having this debt ceiling talk about not being able to extend the debt ceiling and all that stuff, which, could this maybe just temporary, right? We don't know. It could just be a temporary thing. And when debt ceiling stuff gets figured out, we'll see. So the next thing that I would like to see, we might get some little pops, we might get some pushes, and we might just move up and never see this particular pattern I'm talking about right here. But I took the actual short based on this pattern. Right here. It's roughly a crab. Down to around 41.20. So that's kind of what I was looking for. I was hoping to kind of get that crab today. We didn't quite get it. So that's what I would like to see. Which will give us a bit of a pull through of this smaller diamond, get us back in the middle of the middle area of this particular diamond. 4120 has been, you know, if you kind of look at the 4120 here, it has been a really solid area of support and resistance, actually. So let's make that more visible. Yep. So yeah, this 4120 area, it has absolutely moved. We've pulled down to it. Anytime we push back to it, we respected it, but we had these W patterns that kind of got us through it, right? Gave us the momentum to kind of get through. But it's definitely an area that we respect a lot. So that's what I would like to get down to, retest that area now that we've started to pull. If not, no big deal. We've got this butterfly that's finished. We could turn around on that butterfly, but you know, the butterfly was kind of from this area here, and I just don't see that as a good area to really have a pattern from. I like this area here a little bit better. So that's my hope. We kind of get done here, but you know what? The market doesn't trade on hope. That's why we trade what we see, and we play what we're given, unless we're the market makers, which, you know, I don't know any of those. So yeah. Let's see what else we have. I don't really have a lot else to go over, I don't think. I mean, this is kind of where we are. So, you know, looking for any potential accumulation as we pull down to see if this pullback is temporary. You know, based upon the world on a larger scale, if we were to look out here, let's see what we get here. Let's see. Yeah, this particular area we struggle with too, this 4175-ish area. Look at that. I even have a line there already. Beautiful. Yeah, I mean, we're going to have to get above these areas and kind of hold. So, you know, maybe this will help us with that. Maybe we'll get that here in the future. I could draw some more trend lines and just make everybody's eyes cross. Why not? Looks like another area of support on the way down, huh? 4140, maybe? Yeah, so, you know, outside of that, I think that's pretty much where we are. We could get into some volume profile, market profile stuff, but I mean, as far as today goes, we really just did what we would normally do, right? We came down, we pulled through. Let's see, we opened. Let's see. No, we actually opened below yesterday's value area low. Interesting. We never really made it back in, so we just rejected off of that all day. Yeah. Couldn't really hold above VPOC for the daily. Yeah. Yep. Very similar. We couldn't even really make it back to VPOC on the weekly, which it's early. But we pulled through the value area low there and pulled back through the value area high. Right, and then we could get into the market profile side, and it's completely different. But not going to get into that because that's a whole other monster. So, but we haven't completed taking out all these single prints down here. So I'd kind of like to go get the rest of them if we could on ES, which would help with this pull for this crab. So yeah, I mean, that's really all I have. Hope everybody's doing well. If you want to learn more about market profile and all that stuff, hit me up. We can talk about that. But for now, I'm just going to get out of here. I'm not going to waste anybody else's time. So I will see everybody later.